Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make soya milk from the comfort of your home with just soya beans in just a simple way. The first thing I do is to take out the beans and then select it. Here I have 2 cups of soya beans. I'll select it and then wash it. After washing the beans thoroughly and selecting out the bad ones, the next thing I do is to pour it enough water, cover the bowl and soak it overnight. I usually soak it overnight, but if you don't want to soak it overnight, you can soak it for about 5-6 hours so that it can soften for blending. And this is the next morning. Here we have it. This has a kind of tripled in size. Yes, I soaked it for about 8 hours. So the next thing we're going to do is to blend it. I have a video of how to make soya milk in my channel here too. That side I peeled it. In that video I peeled it, but in this one I'm not going to peel it. You can also check out that one. It is also a very simple way of making it, a different process from this one. You can check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It will also pop up as a card here. So let's start blending the beans. Remember I told you I soaked 2 cups of soya beans, but here after soaking it I have about 5 cups, so I'm going to blend them in batches. I cannot blend the whole thing at once so that I will not overload this blender. Pour some clean water to cover the beans and then blend. After extracting the milk, we have here the pulp. But in this pulp, there is still enough milk. So when I finish extracting the remaining milk, I'll pour water into the whole pulp again and repeat the same process of extracting the milk. At the end of this process, we're going to boil the milk. So I'm just transferring the one I've gotten into this pot, which I'll use and boil it later, so as to have space to continue the process of extracting the milk. This is all the pulp I got, so I'll pour it water as I told you and repeat the process of getting the milk out of it. And here we have the milk. Yeah, but we are not done yet. The next step now is to boil or cook the milk, and we're going to do this for about 35 minutes. Once it starts boiling, we reduce the heat to very low and then stir continuously so that it will not boil over. If you leave it at the blink of your eye, it will spill over. So to avoid that, you stir it constantly or continuously. When it is well cooked, you will notice a thin layer settling on top. That thin layer is called yoba. Then you know that your milk is well cooked. And if you test it also, you will not notice that raw taste. So you can use either of these methods to know that your milk is well cooked. For this, I cooked it for about 40 minutes in a very low heat. After cooking it, when it is, allow it to cool down, then transfer it into another container. We'll still continue with the process. Don't go away. After the milk cooled down, I removed the yoba, the tiny brownish layer I told you about, and then transferred it into this bowl. Sorry, I couldn't show you that. Something happened and the clip didn't say it. And then the next thing I'll do is to use a tiny mesh to pour it out again in case there's any particles in it. And at this stage, you can add your sweetener, any sweetener of your choice. And also to preserve it, add a pinch of milk into, a pinch of salt into the milk. That will help you to preserve it. Add any sweetener of your choice. You can use sugar, you can use honey, maple syrup, any sweetener of your choice.
So beautiful. You're very clear and neat.
And that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up. and also share to your friends and family and anybody that might need this video. Thank you all. And if you're new here, if today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. Thank you for stopping by. Also, don't forget to subscribe and share the video. May God bless you all. Thank you. Keep staying safe. Bye-bye.